Everyone, welcome to Let's Take Review. So today I am unboxing Honor 10 Lite smartphone, which was recently launched by Honor in Indian market, and its price is 13,999 and available on Amazon.in. So let's unbox it. So when you open up the box, you will find the Honor 10 Lite smartphone. So this is the Honor 10 Lite smartphone with 6.21-inch HD display and a Waterdrop Notch for the camera. And well, इसका बैक जो है वो प्लास्टिक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेटालिक बैक नहीं है. टेस्ट कर लेते हैं. चलिए स्मार्टफोन को ओपन करते हैं, सेटअप करेंगे. So till the time it gets set up, we will see the content inside the box. So inside the box we have a charger for charging of the smartphone, a micro USB cable as well, which is very nice. Okay, and along with this we have for protection a plastic back cover. This is the plastic back cover for the protection. Pin for the SIM openers, warranty card. This is the warranty card, and quick start guide. Well, quality of the cover is nice. Well, it's a nice cover quality. So this is our Honor 10 Lite. This side we have nothing. Upper look. Side we have power button and volume buttons. So we have set up it. So let's enter it. So let's have a quick tour of it. This is our Honor 10 Lite smartphone with 4GB RAM and 64GB variant. Processor is Kirin 710. So well, it's a good smartphone. As far as the price is considered, I think the design of the smartphone is good, and we have come through that this smartphone is mainly for the camera. So I click some shots, so let's check them out. So these are the shots from this camera, the indoor shoots. So these are some sample shots. You can check the quality, that it's damn good. The bokeh effect is giving is damn good. And for the terms of battery variant, 3400 mAh of battery is there. So if you put the Wi-Fi on and use the smartphone, so it's a good smartphone under 999. So if you like the video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.